Hi, my name is Mischa G, and I'm an educator, editorial stylist, and salon owner. Today with my model Mia, I'm going to be demonstrating a wet bridal chignon. I think this is really cool for a beach bride who doesn't want their hair flying all over the place, and when you want something more fashion forward and unique. Mia has really silky and straight hair, so I'm really going to be pushing my product usage to sculpt waves into her hair. I'll be using a mix of water and a medium hold gel, and the final look is going to be a swept back chignon with partings in it that resemble ocean waves. Starting at the nape of the neck, I'm going to be using a water bottle to spray the hair down and then apply gel section by section. I want to make sure all of the hair is fully saturated with water and gel as I work my way to the outside layer. If I only apply gel and water to the very top of the hair, the bottom dry part will poof up and disrupt my whole shape. I'm going to be switching between using my comb and using my smoothing brush. I'll be using my smoothing brush where I want more tightness and I want the hair to suction towards the head, and I'll be using my comb where I want some more movement. As I work my way up the round of the head, I'm going to be adding more direction. I want it to swoop slightly to one side without having a parting, and I want organic movement that resembles the ocean. Once all the gel is applied to the hair, I'm going to switch to using my wide tooth comb. I'm going to comb in comb marks, and using small pin curl clips, I'm going to clip those comb marks in. If there are any whirls or swirls or colics in the hair, you want to place a little extra product at those points and put a clip in to close up those colics. As you're working and combing and clipping your comb marks in place, you can switch to a hard-holding hairspray to ensure the shape stays. Now onto my favorite part. We're going to tie the hair off into a low ponytail using a string elastic. I prefer using a tie elastic because it gives more versatility versus using a traditional elastic rubber band or a bungee. To tie off the string elastic on your own, your hand is going to be facing palm up, holding the ponytail with your thumb placed against the head. One end of the string is going to be placed between your thumb and your pointer finger, and the other end of the string is going to wrap around the ponytail going clockwise. I like to wrap around 3 or 4 times, depending on the density of the hair. Then you're going to place that string between your thumb and your pointer finger and take out the other string, wrapping it counterclockwise, pulling slightly to tighten the ponytail. At this point, you're going to hold the string in each hand and tie a double knot. Use small scissors to snip off the extra string. Once the shape is tied off, you can apply more hairspray and keep diffusing the top until it is dry. While the top is drying, I'm going to apply layers of water and gel to the ponytail, combing through it to make sure there are no tangles. I want to shape it into a type of whip shape. I'm then going to twist the ponytail around and pin it to the head in almost a figure 8 shape, leaving the end of the ponytail hanging out. I like to secure my initial shape using large French hairpins, not pushed all the way in. This way I can take a step back and see if I like what's going on with the shape. Not pushing the pins all the way in allows me to easily take them out so I can rework my shape. Once you are happy with your shape, you can start pinning with small French hairpins, taking out the large anchor pins as needed. If there are any flyaways or any parts that are loose, you can use the tip of your metal rat tail comb, tuck those ends in, and pin them in place. Once the hair is fully dry and diffused, you can start taking out your pin curl clips. If anything moves or doesn't stay in place, add extra gel and hairspray and diffuse it to lock the shape in. To complete my look, I'm using pearl hairpins that I made. I went to a fixtures and finding store and I bought some pearl beads, and then I hot glued them to hairpins. I think this look is perfect for a red carpet elevated look, for a bride who wants to be unique, or just for a fun night out when you want to sweat it out but not ruin your hair.